Hello everybody, what's good? Trucker Warren coming at you with another edition of Cooking on the Truck. Right after this. You know, people often ask me about eating on the truck. You know, this is one of my things that I've been doing for many years is cooking on the truck. And I want to tell you, it is possible to eat healthy on the road, cooking your own food. I know sometimes it's a little bit of a chore, but you know, the biggest questions I get is about cleanup. As you can see right back here, Clorox wipes, well, Lysol wipes. They're your friend out here on the road, and paper towel. But you can absolutely 100% eat healthy out here on the road. And the other thing that it does for you when you do cook on your truck on your own is it provides you with better places to camp, to park, because you know you're not worried about making it to that truck stop. You could be at a rest area, you could be stuck at the shipper receivers or someplace like that, or maybe even broke down on the side of the road somewhere and you can't get to food. But if you have your own, you got nothing to worry about. All right, I got my basic essentials out for this morning for some breakfast. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to cook breakfast that'll last me for about the next 3 days. So I'm going to cook up all this bacon. I've got 10 eggs right here, scrambled already. And I've got me some hard, aged, sharp cheddar cheese. White cheddar cheese. And what we're going to do is we're going to cook that all at one time. And then we're going to divide it into portions. So I can have some today, and then for the next 3 days I'll have food. So, you know, that just makes it quick and easy. I could just pop it in the microwave. You know, I got a microwave up here. I just pop it in the microwave afterwards. I put them in individual packages, and then I'm good to go for the day for breakfast. So, all right. This is how you do it if you know you got a busy week. I got a busy week coming up next week, and I'm going to have to run pretty hard. So, this is how you do it so that you can save time later. Is just do it all at once. Well, I already ate my fair share, and those are 3 portions I've got packaged and ready to go for the week. Yeah, it's only 3 days worth, but that's 3 days I can get up in the morning, just throw it up in the microwave, and then I don't have to worry about it anymore. All right, guys, well, that's going to do it for the breakfast. I know my eyes look weird because I don't know where the damn... There it is. I didn't know where the doggone camera was on the flip mode. But anyway, there we go. So, yeah, that wasn't too bad. I spent about an hour making breakfast and getting all that ready. And, you know, that just definitely saved me some time for later on. Now I realize everybody's got a deep freezer in their truck. But, you know, we'll talk more on stuff like that later. And how you can overcome that. Anyway, see you soon.